Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza and grow a Garden Prismatic only ways. Start by selecting sunny plots and preparing nutrient-rich soil with compost and balanced fertilizer. Sow basil, oregano, tomatoes, and wheat if available, spacing seeds for airflow. Tend seedlings with regular watering and pruning, watch for pests, and harvest ripe produce when full-flavored. Use fresh ingredients for the best homemade pizza experience from your garden. To grow the right ingredients, pick compact tomato varieties and aromatic herbs that thrive together. Prepare beds with loose soil and ensure 6 to 8 hours of sun daily. Water deeply but infrequently to encourage strong roots, and add mulch to retain moisture. Monitor soil nutrients and supplement with balanced fertilizer if leaves yellow. Harvest herbs just before flowering for peak flavor, and pick tomatoes when fully colored and slightly soft. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more garden cooking tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and smart mapping so you can focus on cooking instead of sweeping. It slips under counters and keeps crumbs away from your pizza prep area, making cleanup effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once your garden yields are ready, collect tomatoes, basil, and oregano for making pizza. Prepare dough from milled wheat or a substitute, knead until smooth, and let it rise in a warm spot. Make a simple sauce from roasted or fresh tomatoes and a pinch of salt, then top with herbs and any garden vegetables. Bake until crust is golden and toppings are bubbling, then slice and enjoy the homegrown flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.